Alright, chicos, welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are all doing well today. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. So we just left our Airbnb, guys. We're headed out for a bite to eat here in Zicatela. You might as well hop on, sit back and relax, and let's go for this ride together, chicos. Sorry about the rain, guys, but there's not much I can do about it. It don't last long, and we're almost at our destination here, so just hang on tight for another minute here, guys. Thank you. So we're coming up to the strip here that I've already biked through once already, guys, but this time we're gonna stop and grab a bite to eat on the strip here, show you guys a little bit more of the area. And we do make another trip back here in the evening, my friends, so be sure to check back for that video. So everywhere that we have lived in Mexico, you notice a huge difference between the night and the day. Way more active, and it even looks different with all the lights and the festivities that are going on in the evening. I was amazed at the difference between the night and the daytime, and pretty much everywhere we have lived. Pretty tough to record when it's raining. What's that? Hola! Wanna go back and talk to him? Rain, let it rain. Okay, so last time we ate right over there, and today we're gonna eat here. Check this place out. Gonna go and figure out where we're gonna sit down. We'll sit back there somewhere. Oh, okay. I'll sit here then. Yeah, we'll sit back here. It's nice and quiet. Very quiet. Bruxa. So you can rent rooms here. Obviously they got a pool. They got a nice bar area. We'll grab a bite to eat here. Looks good. We'll sit over here where it's quiet. No people. So CC doesn't go that shit crazy. All right, so you got 3 tacos, 150 pesos. They got the tempura shrimp taco, fish taco, beef taco, vegetarian, vegan, all 150. You get 3 burgers, beef burger, 200 pesos, tuna burger, 220, portobello burger, ooh, 180 pesos. That's a mushroom burger. Ribeye steak, 360. New York, 340. Arrachera, 300. Salmon steak, 300. Tuna steak, 280. Mahi steak, 280. And shrimps with garlic butter, 260. Not bad prices. Pasta for 200. 170, 180. Fettuccine with pesto. Guacamole for 180. Yeah, not bad. Quesadilla with steak, 160, not bad. French fries, 90 pesos. Tuna toast for 190 pesos. Yeah, not bad. Oh, they do breakfast here too. So omelets, 160, eggs, 160. Not bad, really. Not bad at all. Avocado toast, 160. Look at what I was paying in Progreso. Very similar prices, the avocado toast, because I could get breakfast there with my cappuccino for around 300 pesos, I think. And that'd be the same here. I don't know what the drinks are, but we'll find out. Yeah, I think I'm going to get the shrimp tacos. And maybe we'll get the quesadilla steak instead of guacamole this time for the starter. What do you think? So you can check the description. I'll drop the name of this place and the location in the description, guys. You can check it out. Yeah. Pretty cool place, so typical beach bar. Oh, they got the name here on the menu. Bruxa. Bruxa. Latin food, Bruxa. B-R-U-X-A, Bruxa. Oh, we'll have the Victoria beer today. Well, I ordered a starter and also tacos. Shrimp tacos. Oh. Cece's falling out of her little pin there. Mahi?
Yeah.
Looks really good.
Very good.
Very good, yeah. Mine's really good too, but we gotta keep the flies off of everything. So I have everything covered up. The flies are relentless. And there was no flies until the food came out. So we're gonna go eat and keep the flies out. And keep Cece in his couch. Well, that's it, guys. We're gonna head on out of here. It's raining, so I don't think I'm gonna videotape going back, but God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth, and as always, be kind to one another. Oh, we'll tell you, how much was the bill, babe?
It is $6.75, and this one tells you how much to pay for.
$6.75, so 700 pesos. Not bad. And it even gives you the tip if you want to tip. It says 20%, $8.10. If you want to tip 15, $7.79. Yeah, that's nice. You can tip 20. It was a good meal. Very good. So, God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego. Check out some of the artwork here. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Where you come from?
Canada.
Where's home?
Oh. YouTube.
Okay, perfect. We'll follow you.
Gracias. There you go.
Now
Now I'm going to have you on YouTube now.
Please do, and be sure also to check my YouTube. My
I
name is
will.
Puerto Cultura.
Okay, I'm gonna put
all
your
about
YouTube
we can
in
make a
my
connection.
description of the video.
Sounds great.
Yes.
I'll be happy to see you anytime at the tourist booth.
Perfecto. Gracias.
Mucho gusto.
Yes, mucho gusto.
Gracias.
Hasta luego. Adios. Beautiful artwork. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Adios, amigo.
Nice to meet you. Do you travel
Excelente.
around Mexico?
Sí, sí.
Okay.
All over, but we moved here just a few weeks ago.
Okay.
But we
And you
were
like it here?
Oh, we love it. Yeah.
Yeah, I love Puerto.
Yeah, we were in Veracruz, Jalapa
Okay.
for 1 year,
Oh.
and 2 años in Yucatan.
Okay, Yucatan is awesome.
Yeah, but mucho calor.
Yeah. There is too hot.
My name's Daryl, by the way.
Yo, mucho gusto. Nice
Mucho
to meet you.
gusto. Adios, hasta luego. All right, let's get out of here. Yeah, what a wonderful place this is. Did you lose the key?